Good morning. Another premiere in, another day. May have hit the beer a bit too hard last night. I'm okay. Just feel a bit. Try and get out of here and get to Longen, whatever you say it, and do the Moselle Valley today and get to Cochem. Should take about 4 hours, I think, so I'm not really in a rush. I think I can check in from like 2 or something, so yeah. Start packing soon and get a move on. Here we are, ready to rock and roll. All packed up. And we will be off to Longen today. Yeah, so 2 hours, supposed to be 2 hours there. And then another 2 hours up the Moselle Valley, whatever. I'm looking forward to be honest. It looks mint. Definitely one of the highlights of what's supposed to be one of the highlights of coming on this trip. So stay tuned, see what happens. Long, 2 boring hours of motorway first, but yeah, you gotta get through it, haven't you? Bye. Gotta get out the car park first. Thanks for minding it again. You have been very useful on this trip, Bikey Ham. Let's fucking do this. Whee! Car park. Car parks are fun. Said nobody ever. Right, if this doesn't work, the backup plan is I'm going around the fucking barrier. Put it in neutral way too early. That's in. Woo! Auf Wiedersehen. Gute Fahrt. Good fart. Yeah, I had a really good time in Heidelberg. I really enjoyed it. Would recommend. Wow. Okay. Well, I assume this road goes around. Looking at that guy, just nearly got hit by a bus. I think I'm going up there. I think. Sign says I can go that way. Oh, this junction is nuts. Concentrating really hard on this traffic. Yeah, Heidelberg was great. Great people, great vibe. I don't know, it just had a good vibe, if you know what I mean. Just chilled out and people just doing what they're doing, friendly. Speak to you probably when we get to Longen. Bye! Here we are. Longen. This is fucking beautiful. I was up there like 10 minutes ago. That's fucking sick. Look at this, all these vineyards. I think it's going to be like vineyards the whole way sort of into all the way. It's fucking Moselle Valley is like wine country, innit? Oh, it's so beautiful. Massive bottle of wine, anyone? Oh, how could you not like this? This is just stunning. What a beautiful part of the world. Nice. Shit me. It's just vineyards and fuck. I wish it was a bit warmer though, but you can't have everything. I'm actually cold. Fucking. Oh, it's probably my own fault. I haven't had a proper breakfast today or anything. But give me some grapes. Fuck yeah! Look at that. It's fucking beautiful. I fucking made it to the Moselle Valley. It's a fucking 50 coming up. Schleich, probably. I don't know. Oh my god, a pylon. Whee! I'm so happy I made it. Well done, bike. You did all the work. I just fucking sat here like fat lazy bastard. You did it. Anyone thinking about getting a Benelli TRK? Just fucking get one. I will be the walking advertisement. Because this fucking bike made it to the fucking Moselle Valley. Yeah, wow. Just, wow. Wow! Oh my god! So fucking beautiful. Just wanna drive down there and get loads of pictures of my bike in the vineyards. Jesus. Look at this road. Alright lads, just picking some grapes. Oh no, bit of weeding. I don't know. Can't believe I've got my heated grips on though. Like, it looks really warm. It's not. It's not warm. Seems to be all I've been complaining about for the past fucking few days, doesn't it? It's not warm. God. I don't know what to say anymore. I really don't. This is fucking spectacular. Like, it's a shame about the Black Forest. But this is fucking superb. Fuck me. Also fuck me. I can't remember what the speed limit is, but I don't imagine there's many fucking speed traps here. Holy shit. Fucking view. This fucking road. I'm glad I came up this way. The road itself meant to go through that town bit there. Nah, this is better. Whee! And then it just joins where it would have anyway. you join me in the Moselle Valley for more spectacular views. What the fuck is this place? It is amazing! Amazing! Fucking give me your grapes. Gonna make them into tasty wine. Wine! Wine is good! This is nice. Another bridge. Crazy trees. I think I'm going straight on. Oh, what is this? Fucking guy doesn't care. Like a boat. Truck boat thing. I don't know. Where am I? What town is this? Cool though. Boat tours and shit. Ah. That looks like a fucking proper boat. Some sort of Viking cruise thing. Oh man, it's so fucking nice here. We have arrived. Small little room. Nice enough though. Wardrobe over there. TV. Stuff. And the shower room. Not bad. You beauty. Look at that. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. It's just a stunning place. So glad I came. The roads and everything, it was just amazing, and it's just, yeah, wow. Cultural experience. So thanks Germany. What a place. Bridge, boats, bars. What more do you want? Things on top of hills. It's pretty sick, that, to be fair. Yeah, nice place. Gorgeous weather, absolutely gorgeous. Again, the weather gods have been kind to me. But this is my last day, last full day anyway in Germany. It's come around very quick. It's been a difficult trip. It's been great. I'm so glad I've done it, but it's been difficult. Just existing in a foreign country has its problems, but yeah, it's been good. I'm glad I've done it. I'll do it again, but probably not for a while. It's absolutely done me in. So yeah, just lapping it up. I'm glad it was sunny here in Cochem. Honestly, it was like this is what I had in my head. Just gorgeous weather, and this just to look at this, and yeah, it's just amazing.